In this video, we'll study in brief about the sanitary fixtures like WC, wash basin, kitchen sink and shower, where we use these fixtures, what is the standard height for installation to these fixtures, and what are the standard distance between two fixtures for the installation, and what are water supply and drainage pipe sizing for this fixture as per international standard. Almost all bathrooms have WC, wash basin and shower, and there are two types of piping connected to this. One we call water supply, through which we supply the water to be used, and another we call drainage, through which we remove the used water from these fixtures. Water closet or WC are also of two types. One is Eastern or European water closet, and the second is Eastern or Asian water closet. As we know, we need to make flush the water closet after the use. So the flushing system are also of two types. One is with flush tank and another is with flush valve. With flush tank, there is one flush tank fixed with the water closet. After the use, we make flush with the help of this flush tank. In the flush valve, a flush valve is fixed with the water closet, and the water is supplied through the water supply pipe to the flush valve. You can see one more item in this picture. It is called bidet. We use it normally you see it in hotels and houses with families because it is used for the kids. This is hand spray that we use for cleaning purpose after the use of water closet. In this picture you can see how we install the hand spray beside the water closet, and here are the standard dimension that to be used during the installation for hand spray. The height of the angle wall to fix the hand spray hose should be 50 to 55 cm from the ground, and the holder that will hold the hand spray should be 65 to 70 cm from the ground, and center to center distance between the center of the WC and the angle wall for hand spray should be 35 cm. And the water supply pipe that will supply the water for the hand spray angle wall and for flush tank for the WC should be half-inch diameter. Wash basin also are of four types. Number one, under counter lavatory. There are fixed from bottom in the counter, and they are more suitable for cleaning purpose for the counter and are used in public toilets. The second type of wash basin are countertop. These are fixed from the top of the counter, and these are also used in public toilets. The third type is very common that are used normally in all houses. This is with the pedestal. And the fourth type of wash basin is semi-pedestal that is generally used in offices. For installation of wash basin, the top of the wash basin from the ground may be from 85 to 86.5 centimeter, and there are two types of water supply for the wash basin, one hot and cold, and the size of the pipe for water supply shall be half-inch, and there is one pipe for the drain to discharge the used water from the wash basin, and the diameter of this pipe is 2 inch. The level of the angle wall from the ground for water supply you can have 53 to 60 centimeter, and the center of the drainage pipe for the wash basin from the ground you can have 53 to 46 centimeter. For installation of pedestal type wash basin, you need to follow the height of the pedestal and the detail that will be supplied with the product. You can see this is one type of pedestal type of wash basin. The total height is 85 centimeter, and the center of the drainage pipe is 53 centimeter, and the center of water supply pipe is 60 centimeter from the ground. So you need to follow these dimension for the installation purpose of this wash basin. Similar to wash basin, there is one item that is used in almost all houses. This is kitchen sink, and these are of two types, one single bowl and another double bowl. And on top of it This is kitchen sink mixer through which we supply cold and hot water, and you can use as per your requirement. And from below we connect the drainage pipe same in way like for wash basin. The counter height in your kitchen where you will fix the kitchen sink, you can have it height from 81 to 90 centimeter, and the distance between the top of counter and the bottom of cabinet you can have 60 centimeter. And if the kitchen will be used by a man, then you can use a cabinet from 70 to 90 centimeter height with a depth of 30 centimeter. If you are designing a kitchen to be used by a woman, then the distance between the top of the counter and the bottom of the cabinet you can have a 48 centimeter. And after this you can use a cabinet of height 65 centimeter and depth of 32 centimeter. If during the design of the kitchen you know the height of the person that will use the kitchen, then you can arrange the height of the countertop and the cabinet as per the requirement. Shower also is a very important part of the bathroom, and it consists of two items. One is water supply side where we use the mixer, shower head, and another is for the drainage side when we use floor drain, shower tray or bathtub. When we speak about the shower head, it is also of three types. One is hand shower. You can take this shower in your hand and you can use during the bath. The second is called head shower. It is fixed on the wall and you need to stand in front of this during the bath. And the third one is very important. This is called rain shower. This is a big plate. Sometimes it is fixed in the ceiling and sometimes it is like you can see in this picture, and it will provide you water as raining. For the drainage purpose during the bath, we also use different objects. The first one is floor drain. It is very simple. We make the floor of the bathroom in slope and we fix as per the slope this floor drain. It collect the water during the bath and drain this water to the drainage pipe. The second is shower tray. It is normally of size 60 by 60 centimeter. We fix it inside the bathroom, and when you take the bath you stand inside this tray. This tray collect the water after the use and drain it to the drainage pipe. The third one is bathtub, that is commonly used for bathing purpose. And the fourth one is jacuzzi. It is more advanced fixture. We can use it for bathing, for massage, and to enjoy inside it with different colors of light to show water colorful, and to enjoy inside it with foam. In this picture, these are urinals that are used in public toilets, and this is the installation detail for the urinal. The bottom of the urinal can be maximum 17 inch, and the flush wall we can install maximum up to 44 inch from the ground. This is service sinks. We use it for the cleaning purpose. The water supply and drainage pipe connection, it is same like for wash basin. This one hose pipe. This is hose beam. Normally we install this one at the lawn or on the roof of the house for the cleaning purpose. This one we call it tape, and normally we use it for ablution purpose. These are distances between fixtures as per International Plumbing Code. We can see from here, if we are going to install a WC beside the wall, the minimum distance between the wall and the center of the WC should be minimum 15 inch. If we are going to install two WC beside each other, then the center to center distance must be minimum 30 inch. If we are going to install only one WC inside a toilet, the distance between two walls should be minimum 30 inch, and the depth of this toilet should be minimum 60 inch. If you are going to install a bathtub in front of the WC, then the clearance between the bathtub and the end of the WC should be minimum 21 inch. In the same way for the urinal, the distance between the wall and the center of the urinal should be minimum 15 inch, and the center to center distance between two urinals should be 30 inch. If you are going to install a WC beside the urinal, then the same 30 inch clearance must be kept between both the center of urinal and the WC. If you are going to install a wash basin with counter in front of the WC, then the clearance between the counter and the end of the WC should be minimum 21 inch. These are the standard from International Plumbing Code you must follow during the installation of the sanitary fixture in the bathroom. These are some plans for the bathroom having different combination of sanitary fixtures. These are based on the clearance as per the International Plumbing Code for the distance between two fixtures and the distance between wall and fixtures. If you need this plan, we can send to you. You can send us the email on the address that we'll provide at the end of this video. Then we will send you this PDF. This is the table of International Plumbing Code to select the minimum pipe size for the sanitary fixture. You can see from here, for the bathtub 60 inch by 32 inch, we need minimum pipe size half inch. For the bathtub larger than 16 by 32 inch, also we need the pipe size half inch. For bidet 348. For drinking fountain 3/8, hose pipe half inch, kitchen sink half inch, lavatory 3/8 or half inch. So you can see if we provide the pipe of half inch, it will be enough for all the fixtures except water closet flush wall where we need the pipe size of 1 inch. This table also from International Plumbing Code that is showing the quantity of water required for the sanitary fixture and the pressure. You can see for the bathtub we need 4 GPM of water at the rate of 8 psi pressure. For bidet also we need 2 GPM for 4 psi pressure. For wash basin we need 2 GPM at 8 psi pressure. For shower also we need 3 GPM at the rate of 8 psi pressure. For water closet with flushometer we need 35 GPM of water at the rate of 25 psi pressure. For the WC water closet with the flush tank fixed to it, we need 3 GPM and at a pressure of 8 psi. So if we are using for all the sanitary fixtures without flush valve, then we can use the pressure at the rate of 8 psi, and the GPM, the quantity of water supply, you can select from this column. But if we are using flush valve for the sanitary fixtures, then you need to arrange the pressure as per recommended in this column. When we install the drainage piping for the sanitary fixtures, we need to follow this a slope for this piping, and this slope must be 1%. If you have pipe length 1 meter, then the difference of level between two ends must be 1 centimeter. You can see this drainage pipe of 2 inches coming from the sink, and then it is going to connect to the 4-inch pipe. Suppose this length is 1 meter, then the difference of level between two ends must be 1 centimeter. For the waste of the water closet, the minimum pipe size must be 4 inch.